really talking with someone
like
that's
he's talking
interested.
to somebody that is really into this.
So she's a good listener.
I'll not be like, wow, are you serious? But that's very wrong. But why didn't he play very wrong?
I know she doesn't know. She's not interested, but I know. But I just need someone to
that's
just
really funny.
Thanks for being a good listener.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Daodu and Esther here again. And yeah, my name is Esther and
my name is Daodu.
Yeah guys, so welcome back to another episode of our
Chitchat.
You guys, it's been a while. This is episode, what episode?
3,
the third
4,
one. Yeah, this is episode 3 of our Chitchat. And here today we just came up with something interesting, and
yeah, we hope you guys also enjoy it though.
Yeah, so today I'm actually going to be reacting to things guys, what's that?
Yeah, it's actually things guys want from their partner.
Okay, yeah, so I'm actually going to be reacting to things guys want from their partner.
But we can't ask.
Oh, you guys can't ask.
Yeah, it's things we want, but we can't kind of ask.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to be reacting to it. Basically, this is all Daudu's idea, and he said we should do this video.
Spilling on me.
I'm excited to kind of react to this and see what guys want.
Yeah, what we want. Yeah, but we can't ask.
But you guys can't ask.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can't ask. Yeah, I don't know. Oh yeah, things we want, but we can't ask.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm
so yeah, let's move right into it. I'm excited.
Okay, so first thing we actually want from you guys, I don't know, for me I think
from your partner.
We want from your partner. First thing we want from our partner, but we can't ask, for me, or generally, not generally, like to an extent, is we want our partners, especially the guys, we want our partner to be happy. We want our partners to be very, very happy. That's
definitely.
We know, yeah, but you guys sometimes you feel like, oh, probably it's a guy, it's just a normal thing. Like we are dating, so we should generally you should want me to be happy and everything. Yeah. But for a guy, we want you guys to go way beyond more. That. Yeah. Because I don't know. I don't know. You guys don't get the whole point wrong. The point is, we're talking about serious relationships here. We're talking about real relationships here. So for a real relationship, we want our partners to be very happy, because a happy partner, a happy wife is a happy life. Okay? So when your partner is very, very happy, when you can see this beauty, this radiation, just know that your whole house will be
that's
happy.
True. It rubs on like the whole house. It rubs on the mood in the house. That's true. I know anytime.
Our little secret.
Should I say it?
Say it. Okay,
I know anytime I'm moody like this, like I just expect you to just feel okay. Like, okay, I'm moody, just like, even if we've spoken about it, like, hey, what's up, what's wrong, and I'm like, nothing. It's always like, no, there's something wrong.
I can just, I don't know.
I can feel it. This is not you.
You're not playing. I have. Yeah, there's this superpower I have. Like, I can actually feel when she's not happy. Even to her, what might be disturbing her might not be something serious.
Yeah, that's the
might
thing.
Be something to her is like just random thoughts running through my mind. But for me, I don't. I just feel like, no, I can just feel this vibe. I'm not getting this vibe from you. You're not just happy, and I'm not happy about the fact that you're not happy. Yeah,
so yeah, I noticed that you guys, you always notice that part. I think generally guys that are in a serious relationship usually like notice that part as well.
And that's why most time,
like when they're not happy.
And most time that's why you our partners tend to go away with some stuff like, I want this. You're like, okay, just have it.
Because you just want that to be happy.
We want her to be happy.
I think it's vice versa. We too want you guys to be happy. So
girl, it's not war. This is not a fighting thing.
Yeah, I'm reacting to it like that now. So it's actually true. We too want you guys to be happy. So yeah,
we want you guys to be happy more, like to be more happier.
I've heard. Okay,
straight to the second point. So the second point is, we want you guys to find interest in our interest.
Okay, why? Because I don't think that's I don't know the kind of interest you're talking about. If you're talking about like watching,
something like that.
Soccer,
for example, like watching football now, soccer, like, we expect sometimes not fully, but we will like actually appreciate it if our partner finds a little bit of interest in it. guys actually like it. Like we like scenarios whereby, for example, someone like me now, I don't go to viewing centers probably because of where I live, and I don't really have friends that I can actually discuss football matters with. The only one person I can discuss soccer matter with is my wife here, my baby here, but I can't, because even when you're discussing it with her, she's asking questions that you have to start explaining from.
But that shows my interest
in it. That's actually
because
true,
I know. But the one you actually want, like, I'm sure you'll be so excited if you are awake like 2 a.m. watching match. And me too, I'm like, I'm waking up because of this match. Or we're watching it together.
Is it bad?
I can't do that one. I can't. But if you have something to say, even most times, like, you tell me if you wake up at night to watch match and everything, and you wake up in the morning, I'm like, oh, how did it go? What was the scores and everything? Even if, to be sincere, I don't.
She really. Like,
I really don't care, but like, just to give you this
feeling of like, yeah.
So you have somebody to talk about the score. I'll actually ask you like, how did it go? How did they perform and everything? Like, why they behaving like this? Just come into the conversation. So I think,
I know.
we try our best in that aspect, even if it's not.
So you see, so we guys, we actually like, we find it. I don't know, we find it sexy when our partner is interested in our stuff, like not too much, but when you're interested in our stuff, like, hey babe, like, did you see that Rooney's goal? Oh God, that goal is so. Oh, she just. I
beg you. It's not everybody that'll be interested in that anyway. But yeah, I actually. Like this point you gave, I used to see the joy in you each time we talk about football.
Each time you talked about.
Like I tell you about it.
The funniest thing is, I know she's not interested.
But he tells me everything.
But I'm going to run down the whole thing like as if I'm really talking with somebody that's interested.
Talking to somebody that is really into this.
So she's a good listener.
I'll not be like, wow, are you serious? But that's very wrong. But why didn't he play very wrong?
I know she doesn't know. She's not interested, but I know. But I just need someone to
that's really funny.
Thanks for being a good listener.
Okay. Yeah, I'm glad that you're actually happy that I used to do that.
I know. But then you just have to play along. I just feel like, okay, so let's just flow with it.
Anyway, that's cool. Next point.
The next point is we actually want to be praised and acknowledged.
So you guys want to be praised and acknowledged?
Yeah, it's see, first thing is
everybody wants it.
Everybody wants it, but guys, we are built with this kind of ego with us. As per guys, we like this, we have this ego with us. So guys, people with ego, is easy to get down. Like when something doesn't go your way, it's easy to get down, to lose. Like this vibe just drops about you. And most especially when the world has this impression that as the man, you're supposed to be the front runner, you're supposed to be the one doing everything. So we like it when your partner kind of like gives this praise, like, oh, thanks for doing this, thanks for doing that, or acknowledges, oh, I saw what you did, thanks. You understand? Like,
yeah, I think this point is actually cool. Of recent, I actually read something like on Instagram that I wasn't cool with what I read on Instagram. Although you know how it is now with the internet and social media and everything, everybody always have their different opinions, which even these are opinions, and whatever we are reacting to or talking about will still be somebody else's opposite opinion, and someone else is definitely going to find out this video. That's no big deal, and that's the world we live in now. But like, there's something I saw that I wasn't also cool with. Like somebody said that you telling your husband thank you, it shouldn't be, because it's the person's responsibility to do whatever they've done for you. Is the husband's responsibility to do it. So you saying thank you is like that women should stop saying thank you. When I read the post, I just looked like, I was like, this doesn't really make sense. There's nobody, even being a woman, even if giving birth to a child is a woman's, is something that we are.
It's a woman's job.
Yeah,
but nowadays you find men giving pushing gifts.
Push gift, exactly.
I can as well just keep quiet and just like, it's your job, you've done it, let everybody move on with your life.
Give birth. So I was like, this is not nice. I know even if a lot of things happen that you actually help a lot, like you do this, you do that, and that thank you, I used to see it as, when I say that thank you,
it goes a long way. It gives this vibe, like
this vibe, like
sincerely, when she tells me thank you, right? Anytime she tells me thank you for something
you always say you don't have to.
I usually tell her you don't have to, but that's not the point. Now is this: I find much joy in wanting to do it even much more better again.
Now, okay, maybe I appreciate it.
Wow, she really appreciated this little thing that I did. Even though it is very little, and I know it's very little, and I know the thank you is not even, I don't need it. But this feeling of she just gave me this thank you, I want to do it again, like to just give her this joy again. So I want to try more, and it goes a long way. But if you always feel like it's your duty, just go ahead and do it.
Even when I cook that, okay, let's just put it like women, they see us as like the people that are supposed to actually be in the kitchen and cook, right, for the family or for whatever. Like if you see the way he appreciates the food, like, oh my god, yeah, you're cooking this, that, that. It gives you this feeling like, are you serious? Just on top food, look at how you're acting. Do you get? So I think that point is actually okay. I agree with that. Like everybody actually needs to.
So for guys, we actually like it when we are being praised. Like, wow, you did a great job for this thing, for that thing, for that. We know sometimes our duty, but just saying thank you, it's there's no harm in it. Just say it and everybody's happy.
Yeah.
Right. So that's nice. It. So next point is it's almost similar to the previous point, but we actually like when when women have confidence in us. When our partners like have confidence in us, in the sense that
of like trust,
not trust, but in trust, but not relationship like other trust, but trust we're talking about it. For example, there's a task to do in the house, and it's a usual task for a woman to do. For example, I'll give you a straightforward example: changing the pampers, right? Changing diapers, and you want to change the diapers, you want to help to change the diapers. Then the next thing she comes and she's like, oh, you're not doing it well, you're not doing, you should do it this way, you should do it that way. Sometimes it breaks our confidence. Like sometimes we don't like it. We don't like it.
But I don't know, that rubs off to me as like not wanting to be corrected.
No, we want to, but when you overdo it is the problem. You do it one, okay, you make your point now, fine. The first time you tried it, then the next time I'm trying to do it.
Okay.
I'm probably not getting it right. Then you do the same thing again. Fair enough. The third time you did, then the fourth time, trust me, it's like I'm never going to get it right. Is that short? I'm never going to get it right. So even if I end up trying to get it right, you still want to find on, which I know it's a woman thing, because I don't think
it's always be paranoid about things.
Women can be so extra when it comes to tidiness and everything. Yes. But I just feel like sometimes we just like it when you guys just kind of give us that confidence. Don't worry, my man's got it. Don't worry. The kitchen, don't worry, he's going to take care of the kitchen. Don't worry. When I get back home, he's going to do it.
But what if you get back and he doesn't?
This we know, but we just like that confidence. Like,
let me stop tackling you, Ahmed.
You see, like so I say,
no, you're good. Confidence.
So that's it. So sometimes we just like you guys just give us this trust and just go ahead and say, don't worry, you can handle it. I believe in you. Just go ahead, do it.
Okay.
Do it the best way you feel you can.
Okay.
So that's it.
Noted.
She's guilty as charged. That's why she's nodding. She's guilty as charged. That's why she's nodding.
I said okay.
She's guilty.
I've heard now.
I want to find this one. You're guilty as charged.
Okay. Next.
Okay. Another point. I think this is last point. Yeah, this is last point. This is last point. Okay. Last point is respect.
Okay.
Yeah, we actually like
being respected.
Not being respected. No. That's ego thing. That's pride and everything. But what we are trying to respect, like, we like the fact that we want to like respect in the sense that we want you to respect some of my decision, and also I respect some of your decision.
Okay.
You understand? Some of my decisions are like needs to be understand. Like if I take some decisions, you should know that he has taken this decision based on some like let's respect the fact that he has taken this point, and you respect it like that. So some things that might not always go as like both of us as planned, but the fact that you trust that this person has taken this decision, let me respect it like that.
Okay.
You understand? So that mutual respect.
Yeah, mutual respect.
Yeah, it's mutual respect.
That one is key to me. I don't even see it as being. There's this way people make it look like now, like if you respect a man or something, there's this way they make it look like as though you are being. I'm looking for the word for it, like maybe the guy is, I don't know,
enslaving you.
Yeah, something like that. Maybe something similar to that, but I actually don't find it. I don't find it like as a big deal. Like respect is really, really good. Like you respect your man, and he also respects you. So that's very good. Like even if we play a lot, like we play super much, we really have these boundaries that's the point. That's the main I think
point.
that's what you're trying to say. We have these boundaries that, okay, when it gets to this one, I know that, okay, this is a no-go. Aside from our play and craziness, we have this boundary of respect for each other, and he also has that for me. So I think that's cool. I understand that point. Yeah. So no tackling on that. Okay.
Yeah, thank God.
Okay guys, I guess that's all for this video. I really enjoyed listening to it, and I'll actually go and sit down and think of points also for us.
Yeah, girls, I really like it.
I'll hear what you want to say about it.
I really like it.
Okay, yeah guys, so yeah, and for ladies, if you have any points there that you would like me to add up to my own points in the next video, or like if we actually want to do a video about that, please drop it in the comment section. Let's tackle him and ask him in this aspect. Oh yeah, you say your own, what do you have to say about that? Okay guys, really enjoyed making this video. We hope you guys enjoyed watching as well. If you watched up to this extent, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and yep, see you in the next one. Bye guys.